How to get $100 Lowe's promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you'll find the search box. Type in Lowe's.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Lowe's. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you'll find this section of promo code. Over there, you have to paste the code and you'll get the discount. But where can you get Lowe's promo code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Lowe's promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get promo codes for Lowe's. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Los Angeles. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offers. You can see that 50% offer, $5 coupon code, 20% off, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just go ahead and click on view coupon. So here is a coupon code. You can copy it. Now you can hit towards the website of Lowe's. If you want to redeem this code right away, just go ahead and click on Visit Lowe's. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Lowe's. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, the promo code will be automatically applied. And with that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. Over here, you're going to find many offers. Also go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Lowe's. Well, this is how you can easily get up to $100 Lowe's promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.